tanggalin na natin ang cover nitong oil filter natin. Yan na yung maduming oil filter natin. Yan, Jericho fan. Bumababa na yung oil. And since old na yung engine ko, for the past 2 years, gumagamit ako ng Lucas, yung recommended na oil. Good morning! Maayong buntag sa inyuhang tanan. So this is Alba Fambam and welcome back to our channel. Yan, so start natin ang ating video for today. Since nakahiram ako kay Jelvin ng kailangan kong jack para naman medyo mas madali ang pag-change ko. Kasi yung jack ko yung parang iniikot pa and all. So supposedly dapat bibili ako ng alligator jack pero hindi umabot. And yun, thankfully nakairam mo kay Jelvin. Yung main video natin today ay mag-oil change and tire change si Daddy. So actually tulog pa ang aking mga kids. It's around 9 p.m. na. So napagod talaga sila. Okay, so let's start our breakfast with a cup of really nice coffee. Yan, so very familiar naman kayo dito sa aming beautiful coffee maker. Ganda niyan kasi white. So naglabas na ako ng eggs. Magsa-scramble tayo. And our favorite bacon. So favorite talaga to ni Kuya Davon and ni Lianica. So while they're still sleeping pa, let's try to prepare the breakfast para pagising nila, fam. Ready to go na. And yeah, as what I've mentioned, today, si Daddy, ang focus ko ay mag-oil change and tire change. Although more or less easy lang naman yun. Pero one of our subscriber kasi requested for that. So, why not? Samahan niyo ako. And sa garahe lang yun. So, see ya! Here go, fam. Loaded na ang ating bacon. And yeah, nagpe-prepare naman ako. Just beating the egg. I have to separate the scrambled egg kasi ang gusto namin ni Donna is yung may kamatis and sibuyas. Sina Kuya Dave naman, Lianica, gusto plain. So, I'll do both. Madali lang naman yun. Isa separate lang. And so, breakfast time lang tayo. And see you later for the weather check as well. So look at that, medyo against the sunlight, but it's super sunny, Calgary. Walang ka-clouds. So ang gandang lumabas today. So baka lumabas din kami, pero it's just for the kids lang din. Either magpe-playground, yun lang naman yun, or baka mag-grocery. Kung ano yung mga kailangan pa namin dito sa bahay. There you go, fam. Loaded na ang bacon. And ito din for the kids, just the plain scrambled eggs. And ito naman ang para sa mommy and daddy. May sibuyas and kamatis na egg. Yan, so hindi pa rin sila gising. Magte 10 a.m. na. Actually, lagpas na 10 a.m. So, napagod talaga ang mga kids and si Donna. But it's okay. At least makakapagpahinga sila. Okay, yung sa amin naman ni mommy. Onion with tomatoes, scrambled eggs. There you go, fam. So ready na tayong mag-breakfast.
Yeah! Ay, ketchup pala, mamahal.
Yan. Ang kausap ni Donna ang aming family sa Laguna. At may newlywed na pinsan. So, congratulations! Yan. So, maya fam, start na natin ang oil change and tire change. And we're back, fam! So, nandito na tayo sa baba. First things first, kasi medyo masikip ang ating garahe. Ilalabas ko muna si Odyssey. And uunahin natin kumpunihin si Sorrento. Kasi dalawa yung gagawin ko dito. First is yung oil change. Plus, palit tayo ng summer tires. And actually, may nabili na akong summer tires. Na-share ko na din to sa previous video natin. And ito nga pala ang nabili kong filters for both of our cars. So ito, Motomaster is para sa Sorento. And genuine Honda oil filter naman para sa ating Odyssey. And for the oils, simple lang. Costco lang yan. SAE 0W20s for the Odyssey and SAE 5W20 is for the Sorento. So search nyo na lang if magpapalit kayo ng oil and i-DIY nyo lang. Search nyo lang sa internet kung ano yung sakto or tamang oil specifications for your car. Kasi depende sa kotse, iba-iba ang oil na kailangan. Okay fam, setting up lang tayo. So nalabas ko na yung Odyssey doon. And actually, tinanggal ko na rin yung extended dito. Kasi naaapakan lang lagi eh. So tinanggal ko na siya. And okay yung sa kanya kasi diretso dito. Hindi siya ever maaapakan ng sasakyan. Tanggal na natin yung mga plastic dun sa nabili nating tires and rims. So good deal ko actually ito nabili. Parang around 250 lang. So yan yung ipapalit natin dito sa ating Sorento. Kasi winter tires pa rin to. So palit na tayo ng summer tires. So I think yung tires niya pwede pang mga around 1 to 2 seasons pa to. So still good. So may konting problema dun sa tires. Okay yung ibang tires except for one tire na tamaan siya talaga sa gilid and medyo hindi na siya okay when it comes to thread. Sobrang nipis niya na. The other tires are still okay, but I think I really need to change tires for this. We can't do anything about it. Hindi ko mapapalitan yung tires na to ngayon. So I'm still gonna be using the winter tires muna. Palitan na lang muna natin. Change oil na lang muna tayo, fam. Sayang. Alanganin talaga. And syempre it's a safety issue din pagdating sa mga ganun. Setting up. So kunin natin yung sa baba ng bolt. So usually naman pag nag-change oil kayo, meron lang yan bolt sa baba ng engine. Okay fam, medyo na-set up na natin yung sa baba. So pinaluwagan ko na rin to. Tanggalin na natin ang cover nitong oil filter natin. Yan na yung maduming oil filter natin. And dyan lang muna yan siya. Kasi ang goal lang talaga natin is may hangin na pumasok. Yan. So baba na tayo. And luwagan na natin ang sa baba na bolt para mag-drip na yung oil. Okay. Kuha na natin. That's it. So, bumababa na lang yung oil dun sa pan. Yan. There you go, fam. Bumababa na yung oil. So, that's just how easy it is. So, buksan na natin to. And let's just change it. Super dali lang naman. Okay. Then, this one. Tanggalin lang natin. It's been 6 months then of using this. So, punasan lang natin to, yung cap niya. Punasan lang natin yung cap para yung mga dumi din sa loob matanggal natin. Okay. Okay, and as you can see, meron yan siyang ring dito. So, try natin yung siya palitan. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Try natin palitan to. Kasi old na to eh. And we have a new one. 1, 2. Okay. Then, lagay lang natin kung paano natin siya tinanggal kanina. Okay, it's gonna be like that. Super easy. So, anuhin ko lang. Okay. So, ganun lang yan, fam. Okay, fam. So, I checked my car's specifications. So, actually, the car could take 5.2 liters of synthetic oil. and this one is 4.73 liters. So the difference, I'll just make up with it through the Lucas. So in a sense, this could be my reserve oil inside my car, so just in case that I need to top up the oil, then I could just use this one. And yeah, we shouldn't have a problem using this Lucas synthetic oil. So let's go and fill in this bad boy with new synthetic oil. And by the way, I was able to tighten up the bolt underneath, so we're good to go. It wouldn't leak and all, and I just made sure that I've tightened it up. So let's go. And while we're still here, so let's put additional window washer. Okay, let's hear it, fam. Check my leak sa baba. So far, so good. Sounds good to me. Okay, successful engine oil change. So let's check. No leak so far. Successful tayo with the Sorrento change oil. So ang next naman natin is yung white na van namin. It's much harder kasi nasa baba yung oil filter niya. But it's still okay. Kaya natin. Okay, let's start again. So this is gonna be super easy too, just on top. And it says there SAEOW20. So I also have that fully synthetic filter, and then this one would be the engine oil measure. Yan, jack up na siya. But then, just a reminder fam, wag kayong bababa nang hindi kayo naglalagay nito. This is for security really. So just in case na bumigay yung jack, masasalo nito yung weight ng sasakyan. Kung hindi, may ipit kayo. So please, use this. Okay, so set up ko lang yan before ako gumapang sa baba. There you go fam, same process. Wrench 17, and there you go. Kita ko yung blue na filter over there. So yan yung tatanggalin natin. After natin ma-drain muna yung oil. Kasi messy din yan eh. So drain muna natin yung oil. Nakikita nyo, yan. Yan lang yung tatanggalin na bolt. Somewhere dyan na may nakaturong oil plug. Yan lang yung bolt na kailangan tanggalin for the Odyssey. And pag na-feel nyo na uy, nakatanggal na siya and it's been removed, because I don't want to mess up my hands with a lot of oil, so na-mess up pa rin. But anyway, that's it. Yan, so dinalhan ako ng coffee ni mommy. Okay, that's all I need. Pero I'm a bit done na din eh.
Hata.
Tapos minute. Okay, just put it. Okay, so medyo tapos na ang oil. So try naman natin itong dito sa oil filter. Okay, there you go fam. This is the new oil filter. It's genuine Honda. So if we could of course buy genuine parts, let's do that. Yeah, so usually what other mechanics do is put some new oil here just to lubricate. I do that too. It's because, well, it hasn't cost me any bad oil filter change. So yeah, why not? Let's just do that. Okay, so let me just get the new oil here which is labeled as SAE 0W20. And I'm going to add some Lucas again. It hasn't cost me any trouble so far, so why not? Okay. Okay, fam, so that's what I've said. Oil ng side. I don't think this is recommended or really like required by the manufacturer, but yeah, ito talaga yung ginagawa ng mga mechanic eh. Okay fam, so nandyan na ang filter. It's all good, ready to go. Okay, so we're done. And balik ko lang to. Lock and loaded. That's it. Okay, let's check the engine oil level. Let's start the engine. So far, so good. The sound is good. So again, sa mga kababayan kong nagdi-DIY and kayo lang ang nag-oil change, filter change, and also air filter change, sana may natutunan kayo today. Very simple lang. It will save you maybe 70 per car, 100 per car. Pero again, yung learning na ikaw yung gumagawa and alam mo kung ano yung ginawa mo ay mas valuable for me kasi alam ko kung paano siya gawin. So again, thanks again for watching and sa pagsama sa akin sa aking DIY oil change. See you on the next video and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Dun sa 60% na nanonood sa amin, please subscribe. Thank you very much and salamat sa inyong suporta tanan. Maayong adlaw, maayong buntag dira sa Pilipinas, and catch you on the next video. Hang loose, kabayan!